What if you could access stable dollar value from your DigiByte without selling your DGB? DigiDollar is now live on the DigiByte blockchain. In this video, I will explain exactly what it is, how to mint it, how it compares with USDT, USDC, and DAI, and whether you can use it for online shopping. DigiByte is fast, secure, and decentralized. But like most cryptocurrencies, its market value can change quickly. This creates a problem for everyday payments. A product worth $50 today might require a different amount of DGB tomorrow. Stablecoins solve this problem by trying to maintain a value close to $1. But most popular stablecoins depend on companies, banks, or smart contract platforms. DigiDollar takes a different approach. DigiDollar is a USD-denominated digital asset built directly into DigiByte Core. Each DigiDollar is designed to track the value of $1. It is not an Ethereum token, a wrapped asset, or a coin issued by a private company. It exists natively inside the DigiByte protocol. To create DigiDollars, a user locks DGB as over-collateralized reserve inside a time-locked Taproot vault. The protocol uses decentralized Oracle price information to calculate how many DigiDollars can be minted. You keep control of your private keys, but the locked DGB cannot be accessed until the selected lock period expires. The process has 4 main steps. First, you choose how much DigiDollar you want and how long you are prepared to lock your DGB. Second, DigiByte Core calculates the required collateral using the current DGB price, the selected lock period, and the health of the DigiDollar system. Third, after you confirm the transaction, your DGB enters a time-locked vault and DigiDollar is created in your wallet. You can then send those DigiDollars to another DigiDollar address. Once the lock expires, you can burn the required DigiDollar amount and release the complete DGB collateral. Before minting, download the latest official version of DigiByte Core from the DigiByte Core GitHub repository. Never download a wallet from an advertisement or an unknown website. Back up your wallet before continuing and allow DigiByte Core to synchronize completely. Your wallet needs enough DGB for the collateral, plus a small additional DGB balance for network fees. DigiDollar transactions still use DGB to pay miners. Once your wallet is synchronized and funded, open the DigiDollar section. Here you can view your balance, receive DigiDollar, send it, create a new position, redeem an expired position, and review your transaction history. Select Mint to create a new DigiDollar position. Enter the amount of DigiDollar you want to create. For this demonstration, I am using a small amount because the transaction creates a real time-locked position. Next, select your lock period. DigiDollar currently provides 10 options, ranging from 1 hour to 10 years. Shorter periods require much more collateral. The 1-hour option starts at 1,000% collateral, while the 10-year option starts at 200%. This means minting 100 DigiDollars does not require only $100 of DGB. Depending on the selected period and system conditions, you may need several times that value in DGB. DigiByte Core now displays the current Oracle price and calculates the required DGB collateral automatically. Review the amount carefully. The required collateral may increase when DigiDollar's dynamic safety system detects weaker system conditions. Before confirming, remember that the collateral cannot be unlocked early. Make sure you understand the lock duration and do not lock DGB you may need during that period. After reviewing everything, confirm the transaction. The transaction is broadcast to the DigiByte network. Once it is confirmed, the new DigiDollar balance appears in your wallet and your collateral position becomes visible in the Positions section. To receive DigiDollar, open the Receive page and generate a DigiDollar address or QR code. To send it, open Send, enter the recipient's DigiDollar address, and choose the amount. The wallet uses your DigiDollar balance for the payment and a small amount of DGB for the network fee. Always verify the address because a normal DGB address and a DigiDollar address are not interchangeable. So how is DigiDollar different from the major stablecoins? USDT is issued by Tether and backed by reserves managed by the company. USDC is issued by Circle and backed by cash and highly liquid reserve assets. Both are widely supported, but users depend on centralized issuers and traditional financial infrastructure. DAI is different. It is generated through the Maker protocol using smart contracts and approved collateral. However, under-collateralized vaults can be liquidated to protect the system. DigiDollar is created directly through DigiByte's UTXO protocol. Its backing is time-locked DGB, and it does not use forced liquidations or margin calls. But this creates a different trade-off. DigiDollar collateral cannot be withdrawn early, even when the owner changes their mind or urgently needs the DGB. Technically, DigiDollar can be used for online shopping in the same way as another blockchain payment. But the merchant or payment system must support DigiDollar addresses. A marketplace, such as Crypto Corner Shop, could potentially add DigiDollar as a payment option, allowing sellers to price products in a stable unit while settling payments through DigiByte. This is only a possible integration unless the platform officially adds DigiDollar support. DigiDollar introduces an interesting new use case, but it is not risk-free. Your DGB remains locked for the entire selected period. There is no early exit and no partial redemption of a position. The system depends on accurate oracle pricing and sufficient collateral across the network. During unhealthy conditions, the protocol may require more DigiDollar to be burned when redeeming the full collateral. You are also responsible for your wallet security and backups. Finally, locking DGB instead of selling it is not automatically tax-free. Tax treatment depends on your country and personal circumstances. DigiDollar transforms DGB from only a transferable cryptocurrency into the collateral reserve behind a native USD-denominated asset. Its biggest advantages are self-custody, native DigiByte integration, and stable value transactions without a centralized issuer. Its biggest trade-off is the strict time lock. Would you lock your DGB to mint DigiDollar, or would you prefer to keep all your DigiByte available? Tell me your reason in the comments. Subscribe because I will be testing more DigiDollar features, transactions, and real-world use cases.